Hi everyone, I'm Kat from WorkFX AI. We build AI agents for e-commerce and retail brands. And guess what? You can build a customer service agent in under 5 minutes on our platform. No coding, nodes, no ifs or buts, or any business logics required. Our pre-built agents make decisions and actions like we humans do. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own customer service agent from start to finish with your own knowledge and FAQs in less time than what it usually takes to make a coffee. Let's dive in. Log into the platform. Open up the navigation pane. Let's build some knowledge for your agents to learn about your business. I'm going to use Shopify as an example today. Let's put in the data source that we want your agents to learn about your business. You can pour in your structured or unstructured data, or simply pop in the URL for the web page of any content that you want the agent to know about. I'm going to pop in the shipping page from Shopify. Turn on Enhanced Domain Mode. Hit save. Let's repeat this process with the returns page from Shopify. Right, knowledge base has been built. Let's go back to the home page and find the agent builder, which sits under customers experience and loyalty here. Let's click on that. Clone your agent, give it a name. All you need to do is pop in your brand name, your domain URL, and the tone you want the agent to use when it interact with your customers. Fun and cheeky. It's Shopify after all. Let's pour in the data source that we just built. Give it that. Publish the agent. Voila! Your customer service agent has been built. Let's test it. There's a URL here where you can embed on your website if you want to use your agent straight away. Let's test the agent. How do I start a return? It even brings you a create a return page from Shopify. Let's click on that. Yep, it does bring you to the return page. Let's throw a curveball to the agent. Is Jane Lu a cool chick? Sorry, Jane, if you're ever watching this video. It's just for fun. OMG, are you kidding? Jane Lu is the definition of a cool chick. And there's an embedded URL that brings you to Jane Lu's intro page. There you go. That's it, guys. Register now, get your free credits, and start building your customer service agent that works for you 24/7. See you next time.